Soon after Bill Chant about Zion roots. Don't know.
Yeah, man, me see the smoke rise up in the sky. Me light the spliff, me feel so high. Me just a chill, me feel the vibes. But things get crazy, hear the surprise. Step out, me ready for the day. Ganja in a hand, me head on the way. Me take the first puff, me feel the heat. But the smoke too strong, me can't compete. Me start for cough, my eyes them red. Me head spin round like me full of lead. Me try to speak, me lips them dry. But me just start laugh, me can't deny. Ganja miss up, me never expect. Me head start spin, me need to reflect. Me laughing now, can't stop the fun. Me took a hit, now me can't run. Ganja miss up, me feeling fine. My eyes them roll, me out of line. But just still guide me through the haze. Me rise again from the smoke-filled maze. Me stagger feet a bit, me start to sway. Me check me surrounding, it's a brand new day. Me try for walk, but me can't keep straight. Me step on the rocks, me fall on my plate. Me roll on the ground, me laugh so loud. Me vision blurry, me still feel proud. Me light another, but me take it slow. Me learn me lesson, me let the vibes flow. Ganja miss up, me never expect. Me head start spin, me need to reflect. Me laughing now, can't stop the fun. Me took a hit, now me can't run. Ganja miss up, me feeling fine. My eyes them roll, me out of line. But just still guide me through the haze. Me rise again from the smoke-filled maze. Me feel the rhythm, me start to groove. Me take me time, me let the herb move. Me rise up slow, me steady me pace. Me found me balance, me back in the race. Me light the fire, the vibes are sweet. Me take it easy, me can't be beat. Ganja teaches patience, me learn the way. Me move with the rhythm, me take the day. Ganja me shop, me never expect. Me head start spin, me need. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Echoes of the soul, we hear the call. In the rhythm of life, we stand tall. From the roots of the earth to the stars above, we are one, we are light, we are bound by love. Through the valley of shadows we find the way. In the garden of wisdom we'll learn to stay. The winds they carry, the rain it falls, but the heart of the people still stands through it all. The fire within, burning bright and pure. No force can stop us, no chain can endure. We rise from the ashes, we break the mold. With the strength of the earth we'll be bold. Echoes of the soul, we hear the call. In the rhythm of life we stand tall. From the roots of the earth to the stars above, we are one, we are light, we are bound by love. In the silence of the night, the truth speaks clear. The voice of the ancients is what we hear. No matter the storm, no matter the fight, in the power of love we find our might. The world may tremble, the skies may cry, but we stand firm, we'll never ask why. The past is behind, the future is bright. In the power of the present we find our light. fades, we'll dance to the rhythm that the earth has made. With every heartbeat, with every breath, we live in love, defying death. Echoes of the soul, we hear the call. In the rhythm of life, we stand tall. From the roots of the earth to the stars above, we are one, we are light, we are bound by love. Echoes of the soul, they carry us through. In the circle of life, we are born anew. From the ground to the heavens, from the sea to the sky, together we rise, together we fly. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Marcus Reggie. Herbs and hills, me heart so free. Me I feel job breeze from the tamarind tree. Babylon one chain, but them can't catch we. Roots man chant, let your melody be. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jaja push. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jaja push. Early morning me a blaze the fire. Cyan drum beat lift me higher. Babylon come with them fake attire, but Rasta truth them can't acquire. Jaja whisper through the trees them sway. The herbs I speak when me kneel fi pray. With me chalice full of the ganja tray. Rasta Marcus smile pan Zion way. Me say herbs for the healing, love for the soul. Rasta are the key fi unlock ja goal. Babylon tremble, them heart run cold. Freedom of the path, it worth more than gold. Under the moonlight me chant and sing. The hills them echo, ja blessings bring. Northern lights in a chalice swing. Ja vibes pure, let the spirits cling. Herbs and hills, ja spirit fly. Me blaze blue dream, me touch the sky. Babylon fade, them can't deny. Rasta live on, ja vibes not die. With me spliff in a hand, me soul so free. Ja guide the way, from sea to sea. The hills them sing, the stars agree. Herbs and hills, ja love for we. Herbs and hills, ja spirit fly. Me blaze blue dream, me touch the sky. Babylon fade, them can't deny. Rasta live on, ja vibes not die. With me spliff in a hand, me soul so free. Ja guide the way, from sea to sea. The hills them sing, the stars agree. Herbs and hills, ja love for we. Herbs and hills, me heart so free. Me I feel ja breeze from the tamarind tree. Babylon one chain, but them can't catch we. Roots man chant, let ja melody be. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jaja push. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jaja push. Herbs and hills, me heart so free. Me I feel ja breeze from the tamarind tree. Babylon one chain, but them can't catch we. Roots man chant, let ja melody be. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jaja push. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jaja push. Herbs and hills, just yeah, yeah, yeah. Valerka light the fire, watch the smoke fly. Babylon I watch, but me not care. Rasta life, we free in the air. Me wake up, the sun a shine bright. Grab me spliff, me ready for the flight. Me step in the yard, me hear the sound. Valerka laugh, me know it's going down. Him roll the weed, them buds so fine. Me tell me brethren, this herb of mine. Valerka smile, him say me got the best. The world don't know, but me pass the test. Light the herb, feel the fire. Me living life higher and higher. No Babylon can shut we down. We free and strong in every town. Light the herb, feel the fire. Me living true, me never tire. With the weed, we make the sound. Me burn the herb, me pass the crown. Me friend Valerka, him wise like the owl. Him tell me story about the ganja fowl. One day him plant the herb in the ground. The soil so rich, the smell profound. But Babylon come, them steal the crop. Valerka rise, me hear the bass drop. Him say me nah stop, me gonna fight. Babylon a try, but me still ignite. Light the herb, feel the fire. Me living life higher and higher. No Babylon can shut we down. We free and strong in every town. Light the herb, feel the fire. Me living true, me never tire. With the weed, we make the sound. Me burn the herb, me pass the crown. One day Valerka gets a call. The herb a grow, me rise above the fall. Him run the yard, fi check the seed. Me tell him Jah guide we, this what we need. Him take the plant, him roll the spliff. Me and Valerka, we feel the lift. Inna the yard, we chant the sound. Babylon can't keep we down. Cyan echoes, ay ay ay. Yeah man smoke the kasaf. Inna the morning mist, me light up the key for meditation arise. The vibes not drift, me say Jah herb and me temple. Uplift, me say ganja priest on a holy shift. Sacred smoke, it a bless me soul. From the roots to the chalice, the fire unfold. The green leaf of life, it make me feel whole. Every puff I me take, Jah love me control. Me say me walk through the valley, ganja light my path. The indica make me calm, the sativa make me laugh. From the seed to the harvest, the herb and my craft. No synthetic vibes, Babylon I get sharp. Them not overstand the power in the plant. Them fight against Jah gift, them are too ignorant. But me stand as a soldier with the weed me chant. Me say the healing of the nation, this a Jah command. From the green crack to the purple haze, me say Jah herb light up me days. Them can't stop Jah fire, it a blaze. The ganja make me sing Jah praise. Sacred smoke, it a bless me soul. From the roots to the chalice, the fire unfold. The green leaf of life, it make me feel whole. Every puff I me take, Jah love me control. Me say me burn the weed, for the clarity me need. No greed, no heat, Jah herb make me free. Cherry pie inna the grinder, the quality I breathe. Strictly natural herb, Jah guide me deed. Them legalize the herb in some part of the land, but still me see the wicked, them a fight Jah plan. Me say the ganja farmer are the humble man. From the side to the market, them not understand. So light it up and make Jah bless the breeze. Me chant out my heart, my soul at ease. The sacred smoke rise from the top of the trees. Jah loving on my veins, my heart it sees. Cyan echoes. Yeah, man, smoke Cali weed. Smoke and meditate on Jaja word. Herb make the soul sing like Jah bird. The fire keep blazing, Jah light we see. Babylon can't touch a ganja tree. Me say early morning, the herb make me rise. The sun come up, Jah bless the skies. The spliff in a me hand, the chalice ablaze. Me chant Jah name in a all me days. Babylon fight it, them not go win. Jah loving at the herb, it cleanse me sin. Herb bring the vibes, make the world unite. Jah guide the path in a righteous light. From the hills of Jamaica to the streets of the town, herb is the power to make the world crown. Smoke and meditate on Jaja word. Herb make the soul sing like Jah bird. The fire keep blazing, Jah light we see. Babylon can't touch a ganja tree. Me say roll it tight, pass it round. The vibes make the world lift off the ground. From the hills of Addis to Kingston town, the herb make the Rasta wear Jah crown. Them call it a crime, but Jah set it free. The healing of the nation, Jah ganja tree. Babylon can't stop the love we share. Herb bring the peace where we declare. Me say roll the spliff, me light the fire. The herb is the truth, the herb take me higher. Babylon can't touch the herb we defend. The ganja are the power, the herb we send. Smoke and meditate on Jaja word. Herb make the soul sing like Jah bird. The fire keep blazing, Jah light we see. Babylon can't touch a ganja tree. Me say ganja man rise, it's time for the chant. The herb are the gift for the Rasta plant. Babylon a fight, but Jah love they strong. Herb make the Rasta stay firm and long. The struggle are real, the pain can't hide, but the herb make the truth start feel collide. It bring the peace, it bring the joy, for the youth and the elder, for the girl and the boy. So me say burn it high, burn it true. Herb for the people, for the chosen few. Babylon can't stop Jah holy plan. Herb for the healing of every man. Cyan echoes I. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Them a build up them walls, them a tighten the chain, them a try lock we down in a mental pain, but we mind too free. We spirit too strong, revolutionary fire burn Babylon land. Me hear the youth, them a ball, me see the struggle real. Them take we resources, them now make we heal. Them a sell out the culture, them want keep we blind. But Jaja wisdom a liberate the mind. Them can't hold we, them can't break we. Jah people rise up, stand firm and stay free. From Kingston to Addis, we now bow down. Babylon a fall when the trumpet sound. Me chant down the system, me fight for the youth. Me stand up for justice, me walk in a truth. Them can't keep we silent, we voice too loud. The warriors rise, we no blend in a crowd. The system corrupt, full of tricks and lies. Them a blind the youth, them a close the eyes. But me see the truth, me chant me song. The righteous arise and we march along. Me hear them a promise, but me know them fake. Them a take and take, them nah give nah make. The earth a cry out, the people them feel. But the power of Jaja a make we heal. Me see the warriors, me see the queens, me see the elders. Still hold the dream, me see the fire, me see the fight. Me know the victory coming at the night. Them can't hold we, them can't break we. Jah people rise up, stand firm and stay free. From Kingston to Addis we nah bow down. Babylon a fall when the trumpet sound. Babylon can't win, them fate done seal. Jah army a march with the truth like steel. No more oppression, no more lies. We stand up tall, we no compromise. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up.
Cyan echo. Ay, 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 from the roots to the backyards. Yeah, man. Freedom is alright. Me walk the road. Me light the fire. Me carry the load. Me rise in the fight. Me never implode. Freedom is alright. Me just go. Me born in the struggle. Me born for the fight. Me no live for the chains. Me reach for the light. Me free in my soul. Me keep the sight. Freedom is the key. Me hold it tight. Me rise up for the people, for the ones who fight. Me burn the fire, me spark the light. Me rise through the darkness, me out of the night. Freedom is alright, me I take flight. The chains I hold the people, me see the pain. But me no follow, me break the chain. Me rise from the pressure, me stand in a rain. Freedom is the answer, me speak the name. Freedom is alright, me walk the road. Me light the fire, me carry the load. Me rise in the fight, me never implode. Freedom is alright, me just go. Me see the world in a confusion and strife. Me hear the cries of the oppressed life. But me trust in Jah, me keep the knife. Me stand for the truth, me rise from the rife. Me light the spliff, me calm the mind. Me see the truth, me know the kind. Me rise in a freedom, me no left behind. Me voice are the weapon, me speak for the blind. Me know freedom and me birthright. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the fight. Me trust in Jah, me walk in a light. Freedom is alright, me future so bright. Freedom is alright, me walk the road. Me light the fire, me carry the load. Me me rise in the fight, me never implode. Freedom is alright, me just go. Me light the herb, we feel the rise. We take a puff, we see the skies. We chant for the peace, we chant for the sound. We rise above, we never come down. We pass the chalice, we feel the fire. We free from the pain, we go higher. We roll the spliff, we light the flame. We smoke the ganja, we call the name. Inna the smoke, me rise above. Me free from the pain, me live in a love. Me smoke the herb, me feel the high. Me chant for the rhythm, me touch the sky. Pass the chalice, me feel the flow. Me chant the rhythm, me let it go. We blaze the fire, we blaze the green. Me chant for the herb, me live for the steam. We move through the haze, we rise through the light. We free from the stress, we rise through the night. We feel the rhythm, we feel the beat. We pass the chalice, we move the feet. Inna the smoke, we rise above. We free from the pain, we live in a love. We smoke the herb, we feel the high. We chant for the rhythm, we touch the sky. We roll the spliff, we light the fire. We chant for the herb, me go higher. We feel the peace, we feel the sound. We rise to the top, we keep it round. We pass the chalice, we chant the truth. We rise through the smoke, we stay in the youth. We blaze the ganja, we free from the chain. We live for the herb, we feel the gain. Inna the smoke, we rise above. We free from the pain, we live in a love. We smoke the herb, we feel the high. We chant for the rhythm, we touch the sky. We light the herb, we rise through the haze. We chant for the rhythm, we free from the maze. We blaze the ganja, we feel the flame. We pass the chalice, we chant the name. Only I want restaurant, boy. Okay, just in the next few months. Less life, less life, less life, less life, less life, less life, less life. Cyan echoes. Hey, hey, hey. In the heart of Zion, where the fire blaze, sacred herb chant, make the spirit raise. Rasta man gather under moonlit sky, chalice light the way.
Jah wisdom high. Babylon them tremble when the truth them hear. Sacred smoke rise, make the vision clear. Every draw a prayer, every puff divine. Herb meditation, make the soul align. Sacred herb chant, let the power flow. Truth in the fire, make the realness grow. Every root a story, every bud a light. Herb make the darkness fade in a night. Sacred herb, guide the way. Teach the youth from night to day. Chant your name in the healing breeze. Sacred herb, bring the heart to ease. Them call it wicked, them call it wrong, but your herb make the weak man strong. Fields of green, them holy ground. Sacred herb make the love surround. In the chalice blaze, see the ancient sign. The herb connect we to the divine. Rasta chant rise up, make the system shake. Sacred herb make the spirit awake. Circle the fire, chant your song. Pass the herb, let the vibes prolong. Sacred smoke rise up to Jah throne. Herb meditation, make the truth be known. Sacred herb, guide we way. Teach the youth from night to day. Chant your name in the healing breeze. Sacred herb, bring the heart to ease. Forever blazing, Jah holy flame. Sacred herb chant, call Jah name. One love, one fire, unity. Sacred herb are the key for we.
Ay, ay, Yamo Mac 1 in a me pocket. Star them blink in a midnight sky. Mystic vibes, rebel souls can die. Them can't silence the river flow. The heart of the people still aglow. Them build wall fi block review, but me I see the eternal blue. Them chant laws, but me chant truth. Me voice carry spirit of the youth. Babylon blind by greed and gold. We vision ancient, fresh and bold. Them take control with screen and wire, but we chant set the world on fire. Them call we rebel, them call we mad, but deep inside we more than glad. Me nah kneel to them fake king. Me rise with every song me sing. Mystic vibes, rebel souls, carrying the ancient scrolls. Marching steady through the storm. Spirit of Zion reborn, reborn. Mystic vibes, rebel souls, break them chains, take back control. In the heart of the fight we glow. Mystic rivers still flow. Them take we land, them take we name, but them can't take we sacred flame. Each beat of the drum a revolution. Each step we take a new solution. Me sing for the farmer, me sing for the child. Me chant for the jungle, me chant for the wild. No skyscraper block we sun. Roots still grow when the day done. Them whisper lies in our we ears.
but we not build life pon fears. We build with stone of ancient dreams. We paint the future with Zion streams. Mystic river, guide me way. Lead we to a brighter day. Me hear the lion in a me chest. We not settle for second best. So me blaze a fire high and wide. Let the world see we not hide. Rebel souls in a mystic dance. We chant, we sing, we take the chance. Mystic vibes, rebel souls. Break them chains, take back control. In the heart of the fight we glow. Mystic river still flow. Me now bow to Babylon whip. Me set me course, me make me trip. We cross mountains, rivers and sea. We plant these seeds of unity. The mock we Cyan roots. Ay ay ay, Rasta man so high. Roots and culture, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Jah people rise, we strong like the trees. Our spirit no break with the wind or the breeze. From the hills of Jamaica to the faraway lands, Rasta culture unite the hearts and the hands. But trod in the paths where the elders speak of wisdom and strength in the roots so deep. The rhythm of life keep us move, never slow. Selassie I lead the way, His love we know. Me take a pull from the chalice of truth. Feel the power of the elders from youth. Roots in the soil, culture all around. Rasta style sacred, where peace is found. Roots and culture, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Every song a blessing, every beat a sign. From the heart of Zion, the stars align. Through the herbs, the spirit arise tall. The roots of Jah culture heal one and all. We wear the colors of the lion, stand strong. My life is just story, me love, me song. The youth them rise, understanding the truth of the fire in the earth that sustains our youth. Forever we chant Jah's praises, unite through the roots and culture. We walk the light, no matter the struggle. We carry the flame, in Jah's guidance we remain the same. Roots and culture, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs.
Hasha, it's so good. Yeah, man. Freedom chant, we raise it high. Under your sun, beneath your sky. Babylon
trust in a fire we grow. Winds of change come swift and slow. Babylon shake but Zion stand. Me people rise strong and grand. Them try bury we under laws and lies, but deep in our earth we spirit rise. Them pour poison in our water and bread. Still me ancestors whisper in me head. Them build city pan broken dreams, cover up nature with concrete seams. But me sight deeper, me sight clear. Roots still reach where system fear. Them teach we history, wipe out we pride. But Jah truth too mighty fi hide. Me chant down corruption night and day till the chains them rust and break away. Roots of fire burning bright, carry we through darkest nights. Winds of change blow strong and true. Me hold Jah light, me not turn blue. Roots of fire, winds of change, tear down walls, rearrange. Sing we song from hill to shore. Babylon fall, rise once more. Them sell we promises in plastic bags, cover we vision with empty flags. Them say progress, but me say trap. We not fi clap, fi the liars map. Children cry, but TV smile. Cover the pain with plastic style. But me know the power within we veins. Me feel the storm before the rains. Each step me take, a battle cry. Each breath me draw, reach to the sky. Me nah beg justice from the thieves. Me plant new roots with Jah leaves. Winds of change blow the pain away. Roots of fire like the rebel way. Me say dance pan ashes of the old. Sing new dreams, bold and gold. Me nah hide, me vision clear. The time of fear soon disappear. From mountain top to valley deep, the seeds of freedom soon we reap. Roots of fire, winds of change, tear down walls, rearrange. Sing we song from hill to shore. Babylon fall, rise once more. Me hear the drums deep in the ground, calling the warriors lost and found. Me feel the heartbeat of Mama Earth, reminding we all of the sacred worth. System crumble but we stay strong. Them story short but we
Long, yeah man. It's a chant for the people we're born in chain. Jah light the way, Jah break the pain. Freedom rise, the fire sustain. Me chant for the truth, Jah love remain. Freedom chant, the spirit so strong. Herb in a me hand, me fight Babylon. Me rise with the sun, me sing Jah song. Freedom chant, Jah vibes live long. From the valley low to the mountain peak, Jah show me the path where the humble seek. The herb in a me soul, the chalice speak. Me chant for the voiceless, the weary and weak. The system them build can't hold we down. The chains them broke, Jah make the sound. With the herb in a the fire, Jah blessings abound. Freedom chant, Jah truth profound. Them take the ganja, them call it crime. But Jah plant the seed for the ancient time. The herb heal the body, the spirit climb. Me chant for the freedom in a every rhyme. Freedom chant, the spirit so strong. Herb in a me hand, me fight Babylon. Me rise with the sun, me sing Jah song. Freedom chant, Jah vibes live long. Them chain the body, but Jah free the soul. The herb make me whole, Jah love console. Me chanting at the darkness, Jah make me bold. Freedom rise, the story told. The drum beat call, the people unite. The herb in a me chalice, the spark ignite. Me chant for the love, me chant for the right. The truth of Jah shine bright like light. Babylon can't stand Jah power this time. The herb open eyes, Jah wisdom climb. Me see the victory in a Jah sign. Freedom chant for the world divine. Oh Jah guide me steps, Jah light me way. Me chant for the people night and day. The herb in a me heart, me spirit stay. Freedom chant, Jah love me pray. Freedom chant, the spirit so strong. Herb in a me hand, me fight Babylon. Me rise with the sun, me sing Jah song. Freedom chant, Jah vibes live long. The lion of Zion roaring at the breeze. Him tell me fi stand firm, no bow or please. Me chant for the people, Jah justice release. Freedom rise, Jah make the peace. The herb light the fire, the flames them grow. The truth of Jah make the people know. The blessings of Zion make the spirit flow. Freedom chant, Jah vibes we show. Me see the youth them rise with the herb in a Zion echoes. Them want control we, but we break the rope. We chant Jah name, we live with hope. The system try, fit tie we down, but righteousness are we only crown. From plantation to the modern cell, we break them bars, we break the spell. Me see me people, wake up now. The knowledge rise, we make them bow. No more slave, no more fear. Jah Jah guide, Jah always near. Them sell the people, them sell we name, but we reclaim the rightful flame. We tell them straight, we nah go bend. The chains them gone, the curse it end. No more chains, no more pain. We free the mind, the soul remain. The fire burn, the people rise. We chant Jah name, we chant it wise. Them try to lock we in a mental state, but knowledge deep, it open gate. Them feed we lies, them sell we fear, but truth are the key, me vision clear. The youth them wise, the youth them learn. The system weak, the tables turn. Me see the struggles, me feel the fight. Me know the dark, me know the light. The warrior strong, them stand up tall. We break the borders, we break the wall. The revolution, the movement grow. The ancient wisdom, the elders show. We now go back, we now go stray. The time for freedom, the time for pray. We stand up tall, we chant the way. Jah light a shine, no more delay. Me see the truth, me see the sign. The wicked try, but them can't confine. We step on the land where ancestors trod. We hold Jah banner, we know we got. Them try to tell we say we can't win, but we know say the victory live within. We lift the elders, we guide the youth. We plant the seeds in a soil of truth. We chant the message, we chant the way. No more chains, we see the day. The past can't hold we, the pain can't bind. We walk with wisdom, we free with mind. Me fight for the truth, me nah bow down. Them can't stop we are hold the crown. Revolution, inna the word me speak. The power of the people, the strong not weak. Them want silence we, but we chant it loud. We are rise up strong, we are move the crowd. From the ghetto lane to the highest hill. We chant for justice, we chant for will. The fire burn, the battle long, but we not stop till Babylon gone. Me see the system, me see the lies. Them want we blind, them want we ties. But me know the truth, me stand up tall. We nah go stumble, we nah go fall. We are freedom fighters, stand up strong. Revolution in a song, chant it long. The system a crumble, we break the chain. Babylon fall, righteousness reign. Them lock we up, them lock we down. Them treat we bad, them want we drown. But we have to rise, we have to win. We chant your name, we feel within. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. The poor man cry, but him rise again. We not give up, we not lose faith. The victory close, can't come too late. From Marcus Garvey to the prophet's word, we chant it high, make sure it heard. Them take we land, them take we soul. Them try to control, but we still hold. We know the truth, we know we pass. We know say righteousness always last. The fire burn, we a blaze the trail. We not go fail, we not turn frail. Jah give we the strength, fi rise and lead. We plant the future like righteous seed. Me see the warriors pon the front line. Them ready fi battle, them hold the sign. The elders guide, the youth them learn. The wisdom pass, the fire burn. Them try fi stop we, them try fi stall. But the people rise, them break the wall. We chant it loud, we make it known. The revolution, a set in stone. Me tell the ghetto youths, don't lose hope. Even when the system want you cope. The future bright, the road might long, but hold the faith, you have to strong. We fight with wisdom, we fight with love. We fight for truth, from Jah above. Me say rise up, fight for the way. The system fall, but we can't delay. We there for justice, we there for peace. Freedom fighters, we never cease.
Cyan roots. When the darkness fall, Jah light me way. Guide me steps from night to day. The mountains high, the rivers wide. Jah spirit in me heart reside. Shine the light, Jah, make the way bright. Through the trials of life, make me soul take flight. From Kingston streets to Zion's hills, Jah love protect me, Jah strength fulfill. In the valley of struggle, me heart beats strong. Jah wisdom guide me through the Babylon wrong. The youth them cry out, lost in despair. Jah say rise up, Rasta feed them care. Me step with me drum, the chant a echo loud. Fi free the people, fi lift them proud. The herb blaze high, the meditation pure. With just guidance, me soul feel secure. Me see the vision in the smoke that rise. A kingdom of peace under just skies. No chains can hold me, my spirit soar. The gates of Zion me forever adore. Shine the light, Jah, make the way bright. Through the trials of life, make me soul take flight. From Kingston streets to Zion's hills, Jah love protect me, Jah strength fulfill. Shine the light, Jah, make the way bright. Through the trials of life, make me soul take flight. From Kingston streets to Zion's hills, Jah love protect me, Jah strength fulfill. The youth them gather, the fire ignite. We fight Babylon with Jah's holy light. Each chant a prayer, each beat a call. Selassie I lead us, We never fall, the world are chaotic, but Jah truth stay. In Jah we trust, the righteous way. Through Jah wisdom, the chains them break. The strength of the lion make the earth shake. Shine forever, Jah me guiding sun, till the battle is over and Zion won. With each new dawn, Jah spirit align, with eternal flame of Jah light fi shine.
Cyan echoes, ay, ay, ay. Me rise from the dust, me rise from the pain. Herb in my system, it make me maintain. Rasta man stand tall, me never complain. Me rise with the fire, the light in my brain. Me burn the OG kush for the vibes it bring. Me chant for the ancestors, me chant for the king. Babylon can't take my soul and my bling. Me rise like the sun, me let the truth sing. Me nah follow the system, me nah follow the trend. Me choose your ways, me no pretend. Me stand firm, me nah bend. Rasta rise high from the start to the end. Me light the chalice, me puff the herb. Me nah sell my soul for Babylon's curb. Herb make me wise, herb make me superb. Me rise from the fire, me rise from the curve. Rasta rising, for Jah we stay. Herb in the ear, the truth on display. Me chant the fire, me chant the way. Rasta rising, for Jah we pray. Me sip the tea, me sip the herb. Me rise from the valley, me stay reserved. Me chant for the most time, my soul unnerved. The ganja in my heart, it make me serve. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the streets. The herb in my hand, the fire so sweet. Me chant for the healing, me chant for the beat. Rasta man rise, me no need defeat. Me meditate deep, me feel the sound. Herb in my chest, my feet on the ground. Me rise like the lion, me rise from the pound. Rasta man steady, me nah back down. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the right. Babylon can't stop me, me out of sight. Herb make me see, herb make me bright. Rasta rising, me rise in the light. Me chant the rhythm, me chant the sound. Herb in the ear, the blessings surround. Rasta man rise from the lost to found. Me rise with Jah, me rise with the ground. Rasta rising, for Jah we stay. Herb in the ear, the truth on display. Me chant the fire, me chant the way. Rasta rising, for Jah we pray. Me rise from the valley, me rise from the plain. Jah guide my steps, me free from the chain. Me burn the chalice, me rise from the pain. Rasta rising, for Jah we reign.